Do you want to know how you can log in to your Abhyas AI? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log in to your Abhyas.ai account. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser, go to the Google search bar and then search for Abhyas.ai login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official page of Abhyas. Now you can see that you have been forwarded to the login page. If you are not forwarded to the login page, it will take you to this page where you can click on new user and then create an account for yourself, or if you already have an account, go ahead and click login. This will take you to this login portal, which is the official login portal of Abhyas.ai. Go ahead and write down your SUC or your mobile number. After you write down your SUC or your mobile number, then write down the password associated with your account. After you write down your password, click login. This way you can successfully log into your Abhyas.ai account. If you have forgotten your password, click on this link and then you can recover your password quite easily. If you don't have an account yet, click on this link and then you can create a Abhyas.ai account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.